last but not least, you'll also have access to the 7-Minute Life community. So once again, go to your Home tab, scroll to the bottom. In those yellow buttons, click Access the Facebook community. And you'll be able to request to become a member of the 7-Minute Life Facebook group. Within 2 to 3 business days, you should be accepted. If not, you can always send an email to us at support@the7Minute Life in this Facebook group. And this is a great place to post about your weekly challenges, to celebrate each other's progress, and to get inspired. So besides the live coaching calls that we have, from time to time, you'll also be able to chat with people or even be on a video call with an expert. Beyond that, you'll be able to access the community anytime through the 7-Minute Life Community Facebook group. And we highly encourage you to post your progress there and to become an active member, because it's really easier to stay on track when you have friends that are holding you accountable.